Welcome back. In the last video I just showed you quickly about how we could put wireframes on top of our design. In this video I'm just going to quickly go through something that's on W3 Schools that I had you read for today, is about HTML5 semantics. Semantics basically is a way of structuring our text and so on. In the older days, a couple of years ago, we would create div like this, so we would name div like you just tried last time, with assigning an ID to it, for example. So ID, nav, ID, header, and so on, like it says here. But since the emergence of HTML5, we're able to now use predefined tags. And some of those are, as you can see here, we have the header that you already used, we have the section, and we have footer. So those are some of the already seen. As you can see over in this image here, you can see there's a header, there's a nav, there's a section, article, aside, and footer. I would say the three main things, or the two that are always consistent, is header is on top and footer is at the bottom, of course. Anything from here to here is sort of up to you how you structure it. Some like to put the navigation inside of the header, some like to put it before or after. And some actually put articles inside section and the other way around, or section inside of sections. But basically these are just predefined tags you can use instead of having to write a lot of div IDs. And it also makes it easier for the search engines. So once we have our page, for example, the school here, for when people are searching for an education, or I don't know, probably mostly about educations, if it's set correctly up with semantic tags and how we do everything, it will rank higher on the Google search engine pages. So the better we are at setting this correctly up alongside the content, the higher ranking we will have compared to what search word we are using, of course. So it's important that we start using all these semantic elements. So in this case, if we have a footer, we have a main, we have a section, we have images, then we would use a figure, and if we need to create a small text for this that fits along with the image or figure, we would use a fig caption, so it fits together, and Google search engine actually understands this. So it's really important we start using these, especially these are usually basically the most used elements we see. So go through this, just quickly see what they are, because we're going to be focusing a lot on creating this. And HTML is basically just logical and hierarchy. So starting from top, and it reads down. And again, you just put elements inside elements, as you has a parent and a child. I cannot stress this enough. So try to understand how this fits together, and everything will become much more easy for you.